Good morning, cadets. Good morning. Hope all of you are doing well. So, this is a continuation of the previous class. So, previous video we discussed about the types of networks. We discussed the local area network, campus area network, metropolitan area network, wide area network, and controller area network, and also personal area network, and what is meant by intranet. Yesterday we seen. So, how the communication channel is being developed for the transmission of the data communication for the communication that today we'll see. So network communication channels is also very important. So by transmission media or the communication channels of network, it is meant that connecting cables or connecting media are being talked about. Yes. The communication कैसे होता है? So starting में हम लोग देखा है what are the main components required for the network and what are the main components required for the telephonic network, what are the main components required for the conversation. So that and we see in the first video. So that how the connecting is done between the computers that with the help of the cables and how the workstations are being connected via through the communication channel that today we'll see. In case of local area networks, where many different types of media are in use. So local area network, yesterday we seen the video. So local area networks where the different types of media are being used. Media is nothing but cable only here. So we can group the communication media, the communication medium into two categories, mainly the guided media and unguided media. So what is this guided media and unguided media? So the name itself contains the guided, so it shows some direction or it shows some length or the specific meter. So that it includes the guided media include the cables and unguided media included through waves, through air, water or vacuum. Okay. So unguided media include waves through air, that is radio waves or microwaves, ultraviolet rays, infrared rays. They are all so water and vacuum. So the basic types of cables, that is the basic types of cables in the guided media, that is we today discuss. And unguided media, that is microwaves, radio waves, and satellites are also being discussed in this particular video. So this is the last video I'm going to make in the networks. Today I'll conclude this chapter and also with the question and answers at the back end of your textbook also. Okay. So we see in the networks, what is meant by network, what are the main components of the network, and what is modem, and we see the types of the networks. And today we are discussing about the network communication channels, that is guided and unguided media. So what is this guided transmission medium? So wired networking technology. So wired network technology refers to the wiring of the transmission medium. It is also known as guided transmission media. So wiring network technology in the sense that it is a guided transmission medium. So wired network technology refers to a wired transmission medium. Yes, it's a wiring network is meant with the help of the wire we are able to transmit we are able to communicate the data between the from one computer to another computer through the network. So guided transmission media uses the cabling system that guides the data signals along the specific path. Okay, as it is guiding the signals, data signals or the digital signals along with the specific path. The data signals are bound by cabling system. So guided media is also known as bound media or the wired media. So it is also called bound media or wired media. So there are three basic types of guided media, that is twisted pair cable, so coaxial cable, and optical fiber cable. So these are the frequent terms I think you see. So twisted pair, coaxial cable, optical fiber. So let us go into how they are working and how they are functioning. So I think you've seen this optical fiber word also listen, and twisted pair also seen that cat 5, cat 6, category 5, category 6 करके जो cablings जो होता है, so they are called twisted pair. And a coaxial cable is also used for the telephonic lines, and optical fiber is the latest technology, okay, which works in the principle of the total internal reflection. Okay, twisted pair cable. The first one is the most common form of wiring in data communication application is the twisted. So most common form till now it is also used, especially in the wiring of the computing. So that is twisted pair cable. So in a twisted pair cable, wires are twisted together in a pairs as shown in the following figure. तो एक ट्विस्टेड पेयर कैसे बोला गया क्योंकि वायर्स ऐसा ट्विस्ट किया जा सकता है, देखो जैसा पेयर किया है, so that's why it is called as a twisted pairs. And there is a color coding also, color coding and the plastic insulation with this twisting. So these are all called the pair shields, and this is called overall shield, and it is a jacket. Okay, and it is called as a jacket, outer jacket. So I think आप लोग को जो सफेद का जो cables देख रहे हैं, so they are all called as a twisted cables only. They are categorized again into cat 5, cat 6 ऐसा करके कैटेगरी टाइप के डिवाइड किया है. So this is why they are called twisted wire is this because the wires are being twisted together in the form of pairs. Okay, that is about the twisted pairs. Next, coaxial cable. So coaxial cable, so see, this type of cable consists of a solid wire core surrounded by one or more foil or wire shields. Okay, this is a it is a copper wire and it is insulated and it is a shield of the copper mesh shield and outside installation. So this is a uh, copper coil के हिसाब से बना रहा है. So it is core surrounded by one or more foil or the wire shields, each separated by some kind of plastic insulator. So each of them is separated by some kind of plastic insulator. So each of this particular shield is covered by the plastic insulator, and the inner core carries the signal. This inner core will carry the signal. So this inner core will carry the signal, and the shield provides the ground. This shield provides this ground, and the coaxial cable has the high electrical properties and is suitable for the high speed communication. Okay, it is mainly used for the high speed communication. While it's less popular than twisted wave, it is widely used in the television signal. Yes, television signal में आप लोग का टेलीफोनिक लाइंस में आपका टीवी का जो केबल जो होता है ना, so इसमें coaxial cable यूज होता है. Okay, it is more powerful than the twisted pair, but very less popular compared to the twisted pair. Next one is optical fiber. Optical fiber is also most of you listen. It is a very advanced compared to the twisted pair and the coaxial cable. So it consists of thin glass fibers that carry information. Thin glass fiber is a thin glass fiber that carries information at the frequencies in the visible light spectrum and beyond. Okay, the typical optical fiber consists of very narrow strand of glass called core. So that it is a very narrow strand called as a core. Around the core is a concentrated layer of glass called cladding. So core को ऊपर में जो concentric layer है उसको बोलते हैं cladding. Coating the cladding is a protective coating consisting of plastic. Coating the cladding is a protective coating of consisting of cladding को फिर coating किया उसको बोलते हैं plastic. It is called jacket. So it is called jacket. This is called as a jacket. This is called jacket and or sheath is also called. It shows the optical fiber cable. So I think you know that typical core diameter is 62.5 microns. Okay, 1 micron is equal to 10 power minus 6 meters. Typical cladding has a diameter of 125 microns. So आजकल जो जियो फाइबर है, जियो आजकल जो केबलिंग ब्रॉडबैंड है, they are all working with the optical fibers only. Okay, the present technology is working with the optical fiber only. So to use the मीडिया कन्वर्टर भी यूज होता है. सो इन द मीडिया स्पेशली इन द फाइबर टेक्नोलॉजीज में, and it is working based on your physics concept called total internal reflection. Okay, optical fiber is working based on the total internal reflection. It is consists of the two parts called core, and the core is covered by the glass is called as a cladding. Okay, so coating the cladding is protected by one more plastic called the jacket. Okay, so that is about this part of the optical fiber. Okay, next one is wireless network technology. Till now we've seen the wired technology. Now let's see the wireless technology, that is unguided media or unbound media. So long distance wireless media. The long distance wireless media can support communication over a longer distance up to thousands of kilometers also. So long distance wireless communication media includes. So what are the long distance communication? That is microwave, then radio wave, then satellite. Okay, I think you know. So microwave signals are used to transmit data without the use of cables, similarly to that of radio and televisions only. So based on the frequency range, but the difference in the frequency range. It is a line of sight transmission, which means the signal travels in a straight line free of material obstacles. Okay. So it is mainly used in the cables and the television and radio signals with the different frequency range available hai. So the signal travels in a straight line free of the material obstacles. Then radio wave. The transmission making use of radio frequencies termed as a radio wave. By using the radio frequencies, if we use the transmission, that is called as a radio wave transmission. The radio frequencies are ranging from the 300 kilohertz to 10 gigahertz. Okay, that's about the radio wave. The transmission is also possible with the help of the radio frequencies and by the satellite communication. In satellite communication, Earth station consists of satellite dish that functions as an antenna. Okay, the Earth station contains the satellite dish that functions like antenna and communication equipment to transmit and receive data from the satellites passing overhead. A number of communication satellites owned by both government and private organizations have been placed in the stationary orbits of about 22,300 millions above the Earth's surface. These satellites act as relay stations for the communication signals. So they act as a relay stations for the communication signal. The satellite accepts the data or signals transmitted from the Earth station and amplify them and retransmit them into another earth station. So such set of data can be transmitted to other side of the earth in only in one step. तो सैटेलाइट का वर्किंग दिखा रहे हैं. So सैटेलाइट का फंक्शनिंग कैसे है कि in the earth they consist of the several satellite dish, so which functions like antenna only. So it is used mainly for the communication equipment to transmit and receive the data from the satellites and which passing overhead. Okay, so actually the satellites are being owned by both government and the private organization, and they are placed about the 22,300 miles above the earth's surface. Okay, these satellites act like relay stations for the communication signals. They act like a relay station. So how they relay how much you want to keep, and the satellite they accept the data and signal transmit from the Earth station. So Earth station is the main station. So Earth station से satellite accept करके and they'll amplify and retransmit them to another Earth station. Okay, एक Earth station से एक Earth station signal को transmit करके, so that data can be transmitted from one side of the Earth to other side of the Earth in a single step. So that is about the functioning of the satellite. Then the short distance. So this is about long distance, that is satellite and radio wave and the microwave. Then if you want to see the short distance, so that is infrared आएगा और एक Bluetooth आएगा और एक laser आएगा. Okay, and Wi-Fi. So these are the short distance transmissions. That is this is also wireless media only. So infrared में क्या होता है देखो, used for infrared light to send data. You can see use of this type of transmission in everyday life. TV remotes, automatic garage doors, wireless speakers. They are all using the infrared or transmission media. So the infrared transmission is considered secure one. It covers range up to 10 meters only. So infrared कहाँ हो रहा है आप लोग का लाइफ में, टीवी रिमोट्स में, ऑटोमेटिव गैरेज डोर्स, ऑटोमेटिकली डोर्स खुलेगा, और वायरलेस स्पीकर जो है IR sensor बोलते हैं, infrared sensors. Okay, so the type of transmission using infrared light to send the data. Okay, infrared light use correct. Then laser, that is a laser transmission. Laser transmission requires to use the laser transmitter. Yes, photosensitive receiver at each end. So it requires the laser transmitter and also photosensitive receiver. Okay, so it requires the laser transmitter and the photo transmitter receiver at each end. So the laser transmission is a point-to-point transmission, typically between the buildings. But lasers have certain disadvantages. This laser transmission can be adversely affected by the weather. Okay, laser can disadvantage है कि it affects the weather. So the laser transmission is a point-to-point transmission. It is a point-to-point transmission between the buildings से हम लोग use करते हैं. Then Bluetooth also you know. So it is also comes under the personal area network. The telecommunication industry that specifies as how mobile phones, computers, and personal digital assets can be easily interconnected by using the short-range wireless communication. That is a Bluetooth technology with the radio frequency from up to distance of 10 to 12 meters. Then Wi-Fi, I think we know. So Wi-Fi stands for wireless fidelity. Fidelity means ability to exchange the resources of hardware and software resources by means of wireless transmission, but which lets you to connect the internet without direct link from your PC or to the ISP. Okay, Wi-Fi कैसे होता है? It connects to the internet without direct link from your PC to the ISP. The range is however limited to up to 60 meters. From Wi-Fi to work, you need the broadband. So Wi-Fi काम करने के लिए broadband internet connection चाहिए, and wireless router or modem which relays your internet connection from the wall of the ISP to the PC. Okay, और लैपटॉप और डेस्कटॉप विद वायरलेस इंटरनेट कार्ड और एक्सटर्नल वायरलेस अडेप्टर. सो आजकल को लैपटॉप्स और जो डेस्कटॉप जो है they are all coming with the internet and external wireless adapter only. So to establish the Wi-Fi network, we need the broadband internet connection and we need the wireless router. So which establish the internet connections from the wall, uh, so that is from the ISP to the PC, and the laptop or desktop with a wireless internet card. So definitely आजकल जो आ रहा है, so they are all contains the wireless internet card only. So this is all about this guided and unguided media. So guided media is nothing but cabling technology. The cabling technology we see in the twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, and the optical fiber cable. So coaxial cable is a basic transmission medium which is used for the short distance purpose. So इसमें cat 5 cat 6 करके होता है. Then coaxial cable is also used for the television purpose. Television के cables जो है, which is very less popular compared to the coaxial cable, twisted pair cable. Then the third one is that is optical fiber cable. So optical fiber cable that is it is works based on the total internal reflection, and it also using the different parts, that is core cladding jacket. So these are parts of the optical fiber. आजकल जो इंटरनेट और फाइबर जो टेक्नोलॉजी है, they are using the optical fiber only. नेक्स्ट वन इज वायरलेस मीडिया. वायरलेस मीडिया में अगेन लॉन्गर डिस्टेंस के लिए क्या, शॉर्टर डिस्टेंस के लिए क्या क्या है देखा हूँ. तो longer distance के लिए हम लोग देखे हैं microwaves and radio waves and the satellites, and the shorter distance we see in the infrared and Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Clear? So this is all about this particular chapter. So networks, we discussed about what is meant by network, what is meant by what is meant by the different network components we seen, and also we seen what is meant by modem, and what is we seen the types of networks, and also we seen the different types of the guided transmission media and unguided transmission media. So that's all about this network chapter. With this, I conclude this class 8. That is class 8. You learned about networks. You learned about ethics and safety methods in computing, and you learned about MS access and database and management, and also you learned about program coding, and also learned about algorithms and flowchart, and also learned about the all the spreadsheets, ranges and functions, and operating systems and the graphical user interface, and also you learned about MS chart, Excel ka charts जो है, ranges and functions देखा, number system देखा. So these are all about the topics you discussed in the class 8. Okay. Hope all of you understood all the topics. If you are having any topic doubt, you can get to me and clarify. Okay, let us discuss the last chapter question and answers at the back end of your textbook. So the transmission of the computerized data from one location to another location. Transmission of the computerized data from one location to another location is called data communication. Data transfer, no. Data flow, data communication, data management, no. It's a data communication. So when you're transmitting the digital data from one location to another location, that is called as a data communication. Identify the odd term amongst the following group: coaxial cable, optical fiber, twisted pair cable, microwave. I think these are all cabling. First three, this is the microwave. So this is a wireless media. So answer is D. Which of the following item is not used in the local area network? So computer, modem, printer, cable. I think modem is not required. So we require only hubs and switches. Okay, computer network establish करने के लिए LAN network establish के computer चाहिए, printer चाहिए, cabling चाहिए. We not require this modem. Okay, we require modem only for the LAN or the WAN networks. When a group of computers is connected together in a small area within the help of some cables, it is called as a LAN. So in a small area with the help of some cables they are telling, it is called as a local area network. A local area network is a network within a building or site. Network across city, no. Network that contains servers across the world, no. Network with 2000 or more computers, no. So answer is that is this is one. Okay, network within a building or site. Okay, wide area network. So wide work is a network within a building or site, no. Network across the city or country or even the world, yes. Network that contains no server, no. With fewer than the two company, no. So it is country wide area network. It covers over the city or country or even with the world also. Next, networks are useful because, why the networks are being useful? See, because no one can copy your files, no. You only need one printer per network, yes. The computers use less electricity, yes. ना less electricity तो नहीं है. No one copy your files तो भी नहीं है. Each user of the network can access files more easily, yes. Also correct, but let us see. This is I think one printer entire network का हो जाएगा. So answer is you only need one printer for entire network. These are networks are being used. What are the different components of the networks? Computer network. So the different components of the computer network, I think, sender computer, receiver computer, and the sender's modem equipment, and also then the sender's receiver's modem equipment, and the communication channel, that is network communication channel, which we are either using the wired media or wireless media. The wired media with a twisted pair coaxial cable, or optical fiber. Wireless हो तो microwave, radio wave, or the satellite, or other shorter distance में wireless हो तो infrared, then also Bluetooth, then also Wi-Fi or the laser. This is about the main equipment. So mainly sender computer and communication equipment for the sender end, that is modem, and the communication channel, and the communication equipment of the receiver end, that is modem and the receiver computer. Okay, this is about the main components of the computer network. What do you understand by the communication channel? So communication channel मतलब क्या समझ में आया? Communication channel is nothing but it is a medium which carries the information or the signal or sound etc. by the sender and takes to the receiver end. So that is about by the communication channel. Yes, it's a medium or it's a mediator. I can say medium which carries the message or information or some signal, etc., sent by the sender to the to and take it to receiver end. So that's about the communication channel. So what is modem? So modem is an electronic device which stands for modulator and demodulator. How does it work? So modulator will transmit the digital signals to analog signals, and the demodulator will convert the analog signals to the digital signals. What are the different types of networks? So there are several five types of different networks. That is mainly local area network, wide area network, metropolitan area network, controller area network, compass area network, and wide area network, then personal area network. There are the five different types of the networks we've seen. So there are the different types of networks. What do you understand by the data communication? Data communication is the transmission of the computed data from one computer to from one location to another location. That's about the data communication, which we seen in the first checkpoint question. First checkpoint question का definition is data communication. Next, what is networking? So networking is a connecting the two or more computers together to share the resources of hardware and software resources. Next, name the components directly connected to computer networks. Computer networks connected via telephones. So directly connected to the computer network is the computer and cable. Computer होगा, cable होगा, then the network via telephone lines. Via telephones is that cable, mainly sender computer, receiver computer, and sender का modem and receiver का modem and communication channel telephone cables में हो जाएगा. And computer network via through the telephone lines is nothing but they need the sender and the communication sender send में telephone line होना चाहिए, telephone होना चाहिए, communication equipment the receiver end का side में telephone होना चाहिए, receiver होना चाहिए, and also communication channel, that is telephone cables होना चाहिए. Okay. And the communication channel, again, what is the communication channel? That is a medium which sends the signal or information or data from the sender's computer and receive at the receiver's computer or receiver end. What is modem? Again, modem stands for modulator and demodulator, which converts the digital signals to analog signal. Analog signal demodulator converts the analog signal to the digital signal. Name the different types of the computer networks. That is again their local area network, metropolitan area network, campus area network, controller area network, personal area network, wide area network. Okay, that's about the different types of network. The dash converts the digital signals to analog signals for the purpose of transmitting data over the telephone lines. So that is modem or modulator, I can say. So modulator will convert the digital signals to analog signals for purpose of the transmitting data over the telephone line. Which of the following is not a transmission medium? So which of the following is not a transmission medium? Telephone lines, coaxial cable, modem, and microwave system. Not a transmission, not a transmission. Uh, Modem is not the transmission medium. So telephone lines होगा, coaxial cable होगा, microwaves भी होगा. Okay. Modem is a device which is converting. They are not transmission medium. Which of the following is required to communicate between the two computers? Communication software, protocol, transmission medium, all of the above, all of the above, all of the above. We need the transmission communication channel required. क्या protocol के हिसाब से जा रहा है between the data and communication software क्या है which to interact with the computer, one computer to another computer. So all are required, all of them. A communication network which is used by larger organizations or regional, national, global, that is WAN. Okay, wide area network. What are the components in the computer networks? Again, that is sender, receiver, communication channel, modem, and hubs and switches, transmission media, coaxial cables. All these will come in the computer network. So, discuss the functioning of modem in brief. Again, that is same question. Modem stands for modulator and demodulator, which convert the signals from digital signals to analog signals, and the modulator will convert the analog signals to the digital signals. Discuss the following types of the networks in brief. Local area network less than 1 kilometer, a 50 kilometers range in the city. WAN, that is larger distance of a global site. PAN, that is less than 10 meters. Controller networks less than 1 to 5 kilometers range. What is intranet? Internal restricted access network, which works with internet technology. Okay, which exclusively within the organization, that is based on internet technology. What is the difference between internet and intranet? Internet stands for international network, which is a part of the wide area network. Intranet is a Internet is a network that consists that exists exclusively with it's inside the organization only, based on the internet technology. Okay, based on the internet technology. Based on the internet is working. Okay, based on internet is working within the organization, exclusively inside the organization. Internet is a international network. It is also example of the wide area network also, I can say. Identify the types of networks. See, this type of networks, this is a server and all the computers are connected with the one printer. This is a LAN IP. Okay, LAN. This is LAN. And then you see, this is one server connected with other computers. This is a one type of LAN. Okay, ये एक अलग सा LAN है हो गया and ये अलग सा LAN हो गया. When they are all connected to the another, that is, I can say it is a WAN. WAN example. This is a WAN, wide area network. Right, briefly to discuss about the networks. Okay, just to describe about the different types of the networks. That itself is about this LAN and the WAN. LAN का बारे में कुछ डिस्कस करना है, WAN का बारे में भी डिस्कस करना है. Okay, that's all about this chapter. Okay, today I'm concluding this chapter. Thank you boys. Stay safe, stay home, be prepared. So we complete all the chapters of the class 8 successfully. Okay, so if you are having any doubt in any chapter, you can ask me at any time. Okay. Thank you, boys. And after this, I am going to announce coding, coding course that is through the Plasmo online. Those who are having computers, it must be done. It must be done compulsory. Everyone has to create one mobile applications, because you have done the Scratch programming, you have done the HTML programming in the class 7 and 6. So based on that, we are having online app coding and app development course without any coding knowledge. Okay, you can make the mobile application, the web application, by using that particular link. I will share the link, so please do register yourself in that particular link and activate your Gmail, and do make the mobile applications with the following the DIY courses. Okay, thank you boys. Stay safe, stay home, be prepared. Okay.